Hello friends, welcome to Namaste English. Friends, today we have brought very interesting story, The Cap Seller and the Monkeys. Once there was a cap seller in a city. He used to go from village to village to sell the caps. His way lay through a forest. During summer season, it was a very hot day. And he was going through that same forest. After walking for some time, he got tired. So he decided to get some rest under a shaded tree. He sat down and soon he fell asleep under the shadow of the tree. He did not know many monkeys were living on that tree. When the monkeys saw the caps, they climbed down the tree and each one of them put a cap on their head. Then the monkeys climbed up the tree again. When the cap seller woke up, he found that his caps were missing. By chance, he looked up and he saw the monkeys wearing his caps. He tried his best to get his caps, but all efforts were in vain. Suddenly, he got an idea. He took off his own cap and threw it on the ground. Monkeys did the same as they are imitators. The cap seller collected all his caps hurriedly and went away happily. The moral of the story is intelligence works wonder. Thank you for listening to this story.